You excited? I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yep. Let's do it.
We gotta put lots of lubes in there. Are you ready?
Look how shiny you made it. That's brand new.
Yeah. Oops.
Not anymore.
Oh yeah. Are you super excited?
Yeah.
I'm super excited.
It looks so pretty. Doesn't it? Is it on there? Oh,
Yeah.
there.
I've got about 2 pins to guide it
Oh.
on. Perfect.
Nice.
Yeah. Yay, we gotta bolt these down.
Yes.
You gotta go in steps so you don't just like go straight to 95. You gotta,
Oh,
yeah,
yes.
there you go. There you go. You hear it pop?
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Hey. Crank.
Flex plate.
Flex plate. It's a gear. It's some sort of gear. Flex plate. Oh, I still have this in there.
Okay, now we just gotta make sure this thing spins. Ready?
No. Nice. That means we did it right, right?
Yeah.
Maybe. It looks so shiny.
All right, good job.
Good job.